we can attach our tag to an object using the Velcro tape, like so. And we're going to drop it. Hello, this will be a quick tutorial on how to send an email notification from our IoT gateway called the NOT when the router detects that our MikroTik Bluetooth tag fell down. As we have mentioned in our previous videos, the tag broadcasts payloads over Bluetooth advertising channels. Those payloads contain different information about the tag. The tag can be set up to broadcast those payloads instantly whenever it detects a free-falling condition, movement, or tilting. You can then use the NOT to check the content of those payloads. When the tag is set up in the MikroTik format, 21st octet of each payload will indicate the trigger that caused the payload to be broadcasted. Make sure to check our guide on how you can decode the payloads for more information. A written guide for this scenario is also available, so make sure to check it out as well. Without further ado, let's set it all up. First of all, we need to enable the triggers. Run MikroTik Beacon Manager app and put your tag into the configuration mode by activating the magnetic switch on the tag for 5 to 10 seconds until the LED stops blinking. Then go to the app and go to the Configuration tab. Under the Configuration tab, enter the MikroTik formats settings. Enable freefall detection here. Go back. And for the purpose of the test, this is an optional step you do not have to do, but we're going to change freefall duration parameter to the minimal available value, which is 0 seconds. This will make sure that our freefalling condition is triggered much faster and much easier. Once this is done, put the device back into the advertising mode, and we can get started with Router S configuration. Router S can be configured in 4 steps. The first step is to make sure that our Bluetooth scanner is enabled under IoT Bluetooth Scanners tab. Then go to the Advertising Reports tab and you will see that our tag is broadcasting the following payloads. As you also can see, we have filtered the list using our tag's MAC address. You can see periodically broadcasted payloads in the list under Advertising Hex section. Please pay attention to the 21st octet of each payload. As you can see from our screen, each octet, 21st octet, has 2 zeros in it. That basically means that nothing has been triggered yet, but if, for example, you see that 21st octet has 04 in it, it would mean that the free-falling condition was detected, and another example would be if you see 02, that would mean that the tilt condition was triggered. Let's confirm the results by throwing or dropping our tag. And we can immediately verify it on the screen. Your second step is to set up your email address. Go to the Tools Email section and set up an email server of your choice. In our example, we will be using Gmail services. Your third step is to import the script from our guide. So if we go to the System Scripts menu, we can see that we have already imported the script beforehand and we have named it Trigger Email. You'll need to alter a couple of lines in here. The first line, where you need to input the MAC address of the tag that you wish to monitor, and the email address line, where you need to input the email address where do you want to send your email notification. Now, please also keep in mind that just by altering the last line in the script, the tool email line, you can actually change the action for the script from an email notification to HTTP post or MQTT publish. Once this is done, the last step is to set up a scheduler. Go to the System Scheduler menu and add a new scheduler in here. In the On Event field, type in System, Script, Run, name of the script, and set up an interval of your choice, for example, to 10 seconds. With this step done on a schedule, the script is going to check every received payload that belong to the monitor tag. If any of the payloads that are stored under Advertising Reports tab have a free-falling trigger, 21st octet has 04 value in it, an email notification will be sent. We can attach our tag to an object with the help of the Velcro tape, like so. And we're going to drop it. You should immediately get an email notification that it did just indeed happen, like so. Thank you for watching this video, and if you did like the content, please subscribe.